Hey, what's going on, guys? Back at you today with another video covering a really cool feature that was introduced in Windows 11 23H2, and that is the ability to extract different types of compressed files. So historically, we've been able to use zip files to, we were able to natively extract zip files with Windows throughout the different versions of Windows for years. However, if we wanted to interact or extract a RAR file, a TAR file, a gzip file, 7-zip file, you name it, any type of different compressed files, we did have to download a third-party utility. Well, not anymore. Windows has now given us the ability to do that natively. Again, introduced in 23H2 of Windows 11. They're leveraging some of the open source capabilities of libarchive, and now we can just do it natively. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you today. I'm going to create a few different files here, just text files, and then I will use a third party to compress a lot of these, but for the extraction process, we're going to do that natively with Windows. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a few text documents here and name them accordingly. I'll do one for zip, I'll do one for 7-zip, I'll do one for RAR, I'll do one for TAR, and I'll do one for gzip. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this while I get those created. Alright guys, now that we have these all created, the test files, I'm going to use the corresponding application to zip these up or compress these using the format listed here. So we'll do a 7-zip file, we'll do a gzip file, we'll do a RAR file, we'll do a TAR file, and we'll do a zip file. I'll go ahead and fast forward while I get that taken care of. Alright guys, we've got those all compressed. We've got a RAR file, zip file, 7-zip file, we've got a TAR file, and then we've got a gzip file. So now I'm going to demonstrate how we can just natively extract these without using a third-party application. So here's the RAR file. We extract that. I'm just going to delete these source files after I extract them. Zip file, of course, we can extract this. 7-zip file. We can extract that. TAR file. Good old tape archive file. And a gzip file. So there you go, guys, just like that. And there's other formats as well. I'll include a link. There's a pretty decent article from Bleeping Computer talking about how Windows 11 23H2 has incorporated some of the open source from libarchive to really give a lot of flexibility into different compression formats. So I'll link that in the description. You guys can have a look. There's a lot more than this, but these are the most common ones that I deal with. So I wanted to demo those. And as you see, that file is here. Drag it over. There you go. And that's going to be the same case for all those. Got our test file. Got our test file. We've got our test file. And we've got our test file. So like I said, another quick demo for you guys. Wanted to cover a really useful feature in 23H2, the ability to extract all kinds of different formats of compressed files now natively in Windows. So 2 thumbs up again for 23H2. It's really growing on me, guys. I like this version. I like this release. Let me know what you guys think. What are your favorite releases or your favorite feature releases that came out in 23H2? Let me know how you like it overall. Do me a favor, guys, if you've stuck around and you found value in this and you like this type of content, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content. I've got a lot coming. Alright guys, hope you all have a great day. Until the next one, take care.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And don't forget to hit that like button on our subscribe channel.